Sai Satish, sir. Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Sai Satish, sir. We welcome you to the
Good evening, sir.
fifth day program of Atal FDP, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So we welcome you back, sir. You have already taken one session, and this will be your second session, where you have received excellent ratings on your lecture, sir, last time.
Oh, nice, sir. Thank you.
Sir, may I request Dr. Shobana Madam to introduce once again to our participants?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Good evening, everyone. Welcome you, sir. Satish, sir. On the first day in the session 2, Sai Satish have discussed the ethical implications of artificial intelligence. Today, we'll shift our focus on machine learning techniques for data analysis. Sir, it gives me a great pleasure to introduce Mr. Damaraju Sai Satish, a distinguished entrepreneur, educator, and technologist who will leading a machine learning techniques for data analysis. He's a founder and CEO of Indian Servers, a prominent IT solutions and services company based in Vijayawada. With 16 years of extensive experience in IT and education sectors, Mr. Sai Satish has played a pivotal role in advancing knowledge and awareness of machine learning, cybersecurity, and data analysis. His work reflects his passion for applying cutting-edge technology to solve the real-world challenges. Mr. Sai Satish is a celebrated speaker and trainer, having conducted numerous workshops and seminars, inspiring thousands of students, professionals, and enthusiasts across the country. His expertise in simplifying complex machine learning concepts and demonstrating their practical applications is widely recognized and appreciated. Sir, please join me in welcoming Sai Satish sir to take an exciting journey through the next transformative topic. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Yeah, shall I start, madam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you, madam. Yeah, hi all. Myself, Sai Satish, CEO of Indian Servers. So this is second talk in this FDP program. Today we are going to discuss about two important topics: data analytics and data visualization. Both the topics we are going to discuss. Today I have invited some of my interns also to be part of this program. So I welcome my interns also. Let me share my screen. Let me show you. Let us start today's topic. Which one shall we start first? Data analytics or data visualization? Which one?
Analytics, sir.
Analytics. Okay. For performing analytics, first thing we have to discuss a lot about statistics. So we made, I made some interns, those who are working on a thing called Stat Anveshak. This is a Stat Anveshak, a tool to analyze the data. Okay, this is a Stat Anveshak tool developed by our interns. Our interns also joined in our program. Some teams from LBRC, some teams from JNTU, JNTU Kakinada, and RVR and JC. We are Siddhartha, few students from our college, I mean, from various colleges. As an interns, they are developing this particular tool. This Stat Anveshak tool, specially to analyze the data. Okay. For example, if you want to upload, shall I share the link? Yeah, I'm sharing this link in our group. Where is the chart? Okay. Anyways, just search with the word called stat-anveshak-netlify.app. This is the URL. Soon we are going to launch all these tools in our official website, tools.amersociety.com. Soon we are going to launch all these tools in our tools.amersociety.com. So this Stat Anveshak website is one of the fantastic websites to analyze the data. Data analytics. What kind of data you can analyze? Descriptive data it can analyze, numerical data also it can analyze. Let us upload a file, or you can try with our existing data sets also. Select the data set. This is a sample data set what we have provided here. Now if you wish to sort, you can sort, you can check alternative rows also, you can check. who played more number of matches, okay, who scored more runs. And please remember, this is done by third years and fourth years of uh, LBRC, JNTU, JNTU Kakinada, Kite College, HITS, RVR and JC, VR Siddhartha students, made by all students. They're working together, they made it. Okay. I'll show you various fantastic tools for data analytics and visualization stuff today. So this is one kind of thing. When you select the core statistics, you will get the analytics part for all these columns. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, minimum, maximum value for that. What is the range of it? Mean, median, mode. All these things will be there. Now you can generate the graphs also. Okay. For example, you can check how the data is placed, whether it comes to normal distribution or whether it comes to binomial distribution. It will show the data. It will predict what kind of distribution it is. For example, if your data set contains time series, at 3 o'clock, 4 fours the player played. At 3:30, 6, he hit 6 for 4 times. The time series also can be checked. If you want to check with these data sets, we provide all these some around 50 plus data sets in our website. Just go to our website called amersociety.com. You can download for testing purpose. You can download various data sets. amersociety.com resources. Here we have provided machine learning data sets for visualization, for testing machine learning algorithms. Some 50 plus around data sets we have uploaded here. If you wish to play, you can play with these data sets. Okay, for example, let us download population growth analysis data set. I'm just downloading it. Download it. Now upload that CSV file or Excel file here. Let us upload this population growth analysis data set. Uploading. 1 second. Yeah. Uploading here. Yes, the data is ready. Now how to analyze this? Again, we have all these options to analyze regression, correlation between those. See here. It's a simple analytical app, specially designed for statistics. How many of you like this app? How many of you like this app? Please raise your hand. Do you want to see the creator of this? Group is there. We have a group of interns. 1 second. Yes, here is a tool. Okay. This is a team of our interns developed this particular application. I'm going to show you Microsoft for data visualization. Also, I'm going to show you one of the powerful tools called Power BI. Within few minutes, we are going to play with Microsoft, the most powerful data visualization tool and data analytical tool. Okay. The second tool I would like to show you related to this data is neural network related. For example, let me show you this. Yes, this is a neural network visualization. You can upload the data set or you can select the existing data sets. For example, if you select logic gates, you know, logic gates like 1 and 1 equal to 1, 1 and 0 equal to 0, 0 and 0 equal to 0, 0 and 1 equal to 0. It's a truth table, right? Like that, we train the model live. It's a live training of the model. Once we train the model, we will get the model directly, and you can visualize the model also. Direct live neural network, you can visualize input layers, hidden layers, and output layers also you can visualize. Yes. You can find the, you can directly give some random input. You can give random input here and you can test the output of it. Let us test the model. Gate type OR. Okay. OR will be 1 and input 2 is 0. Let us test the model. Predictions, it's going to show us. Prediction almost 60% we got true. 1 or 0. What is the response actually? 1. Almost it is saying 60%. We got, of course, we have to increase the epochs here. When we increase the epochs, we may get more accuracy. Of course, we have better accuracy now. 60% it is saying right answer. AND gate. Now I'm going to select instead of OR, let me select AND. Let us test the model. Now see, for AND again 60%, it is 0. It is having high probability. Prediction is 0. Live inferencing of the models. How many of you like this model? Like this on live, you can train the model of various data sets. You can predict whether there will be rainfall or not. That data set is also ready. You can see the data set. You can see that particular data set. This is the data set. You can train this data set lively, and you can see the visualization of it, and also you can predict from here. If temperature is this much, if humidity is this much, if cloud cover is this much. Let us test whether our model will predict the rain probability or not, like this. So this is another thing you can give a try. Here is the URL. Soon all these applications will be in our official website, tools.amersociety.com. Okay. Now coming to the visualization part, visualization as well as analytics. For both, you can give a try with Power BI, one of the most powerful data visualization tools. Power BI is one. Second one is Tableau. Tableau is also one of the most powerful data visualization tools. If you just pay attention for next 10 minutes, we will make very beautiful charts. Of course, from our aimers also, we are coming with most competitive data visualization software soon. Power BI, Microsoft is number one. That's one of the best things. Of course, our intents are also making one of the data visualization tools soon will launch, will give you for free of cost, that tool also. Okay. So let's wait for a few seconds. I'm installing Power BI. Then let's download one of the data sets from our data sets list here. Then we'll play with some charts here. Okay. 2 more minutes. In this 2 minutes, we have time for 2 minutes. In this 2 minutes, if you wish to ask any question, let's make some interactive way. If you wish to ask any question, please ask your question. It takes 2 more minutes to install this Power BI. How many of you wish to be part of the developing of these tools? Do you want to be part of our team to develop these tools? How many of you wish to be part of our team? Only 5 members. Okay, we'll invite you. Our website is there, amersociety.com. If you're interested, you can message us. If you're good at React.js, then you can be part of our team to develop these tools, visualization tools. React.js, using React.js to develop TensorFlow.js and React.js to develop these tools. Let's wait for 1 more minute. The product will be installed, Power BI. Then I'll show you visualization. It will take hardly 20 minutes to discuss most of the features. Then we'll go with Q&A. We have to wait for 30 more seconds. Meanwhile, if you wish to ask any question, please be free. Many data visualization tools are there. Tableau is one of the data visualization tools. Second one is Power BI. Third one, we are coming with our own things. If you want to code before it gets installed, by this time it should be installed. Maybe I'm running multiple applications. That's why it may taking time. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll share some important JavaScript library names. Yes, it is done. I'll share some important JavaScript library names. You can use them also for data visualization purpose. The first one is charts.js. Charts.js. This is one of the fantastic JavaScript library. You can use this to represent data in visual form. Let me show you one important data. Hold on. Let me download. Yes, I'm downloading one data. India 2024 election results file. I'm downloading. Indian election results 2024. I'm opening Excel sheet. Let me tell you why this data visualization or analytics is important. How many constituencies are there? Forget about the first row. First row is the column name. Okay. How many constituencies are there in India? Okay, these many constituencies. Approximately 543. Forgot about the first one. Okay. 543 constituencies are there. Now, based upon this data, I will give you 5 seconds time. I will give you 5 seconds time. Which party got more number of seats? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Madam, is the chart is enabled in our group? Shobha madam, chart enable unda? Will respond
Yes, sir.
chart enable లేదా? Okay.
Like,
Unmute చేసుకోలేరు కదండి మేడం ఇప్పుడు participants.
they can unmute, sir. They can have permission to unmute.
Okay. So obviously, even a kid also can say BJP because it's a winning party. From last almost 1 year, we are seeing it. Now, my question is, which party got more number of votes? Again, BJP. Okay. Another point, another question. What are the top 5 political parties? Top 5 political parties. Now tell me the answer. What are the top 5 political parties? Don't see real one. See this data and you have to tell me. 543 records are there. Based on these records, you have to tell me. Okay, what is the difference vote sharing between BJP and Communist Party? Okay, another question. How many votes? How many seats DMK got? DMK in Tamil Nadu. That's my another question. You have to see this data and you have to tell me in 5 seconds. How? Is it easy? No, right? That's why we will use data visualization tools. Data visualization tools. Now I'm going to open Power BI. Just see the screen. Within few minutes, we can answer all these things. I'll show you a few examples how to use the Power BI. Okay, open Power BI. Wait for a few seconds. Let me log in. Select blank report. Select blank report. Now you have to add the data. You can add any kind of data. CSV file, Excel file, database. For example, MySQL database, SQL database, or Firebase real-time database, or Google spreadsheet, live spreadsheet. Many things you can add as a data source. Now I'm going to add Google workbook, Excel workbook. A few minutes back, we just downloaded, right? Lok Sabha elections. See here, I'm selecting it. Right side, you can see the data. See here. Wait for a few seconds. We're selecting the sheet 1. What are the columns are for this particular data? State name, constituency, leading candidate, leading party, trailing candidate, that means second person, trailing party, second party, margin, votes between first and second person, latitude, longitude of that particular, latitude, longitude of that particular constituency. This constituency, Kanyakumari, Thiruvananthapuram, constituencies, latitude and longitudes are also in the database. Okay, I am loading it. That particular data you can see in this data column. Data column. If you expand it, you can see it in data column. Second important thing you have to check is visualizations. Here you can see n number of charts. If you don't like these charts and if you want to get new charts, if you click here, from here you can get more charts. Okay, more visualizations you can get from net. Almost 2000 plus different type of charts are available. Anyways, for our data, these charts are enough. Left side, you can see table. If you select here, the data will be shown as a table. The data. For example, if you take our stat Anveshak, here you can see the data, raw data table. See here. This particular feature, Power BI also have the same feature. Power BI. Okay, coming back to our report view. Now, I want to drag a simple bar chart. Bar chart. Selected the bar chart. Now, what kind of columns you want to add to this bar chart? Select it. Now, add the columns. For example, I want to see the party name, leading party name. Select it. See here, y-axis, leading party name. X-axis, okay, y-axis I will take, okay, x-axis I will take party name, y-axis I will take margin. Done. Y-axis I got things. Otherwise I'll do one thing. I will change the x-axis and y-axis to it. I don't want counting, I want distinct. You can select here, you can select a distinct also. Instead of counting, you can select distinct. Okay. Based upon this chart, now tell me what are the top 5 parties? Within few seconds you can say, right? Bharatiya Janata
BJP,
Party,
Indian National Congress,
Indian National Congress,
Janata
Samajwadi
Party.
Party, Trinamool, DMK, Telugu Desam Party, Janata Dal. These are the top parties according to that particular data. There is a huge difference in the first and second party. That also we can notice. Now I want a India map. I want India map. I want to see the parties in it. How to do it? Now place your cursor over the charts. Somewhere you can see map. There are around 2 to 3 default charts are there. I'm placing my cursor over multiple charts. You stop where the map is. Done? Hello? Where is the map chart? How many of you are able to find? At least raise your hand if you're able to find. Only 2 members, 3 members. Okay, see here. When you place your cursor, it is saying map. Okay, select the chart. Select it. Expand it. Now, see the columns, what it is taking. See the columns, latitude, longitude. latitude, longitude. Now we have those data also with us, but you have to make sure that it should not be sigma, summation. It should not be summation of it. Okay. Now I'm just clicking and dragging this latitude here, and longitude here, latitude, longitude. Now the party name. Legend will be the party name. Winning party. Where is it? Yes, leading party. Legend. Done. Now we can notice which color is dominating here. Which color is dominating?
Green.
Green color. Maybe if you place your cursor, you can notice that green color representation Bharatiya Janata Party. Got it? Now, here in Andhra, again light green color. There's a small difference between that green and this green. Okay, you can notice here. This yellow color, Indian National Congress. For example, important point we are going to discuss. For example, I want to filter only a specific party or a specific state. I want to filter. Important point we are discussing now. Huge, almost India is there here. Okay, with Jammu Kashmir from here to here, India. Okay, yes. Now I want to filter. I want to see how many seats, who got more at Jammu Kashmir. How to filter? There is one particular thing called slicer. What is the word I'm using here? Slicer. So identify slicer. Where is slicer? You get the slicer. Where is slicer?
Yes, sir.
Where is it? Is it one? Yes. Just add it. Now select slicer. Now we are going to add state names. State name. Select state name. Now, if you select that particular state name, Andhra Pradesh, now it's going to show for Andhra Pradesh. This is one party. All these greens are one party. This dark is another party. Okay, dark is another party. These are MP seats. Remember, this is not MLA, not state elections. These are national level elections. Now let us select Kerala. Done. Let us select Jammu Kashmir. Done. Let us select Tamil Nadu. Done. This is how you can slice it. It's a kind of filter. Now I don't want to do with state names. I want to do with party names. Okay. Now remove this field. Just click and drag the party, leading party. Click and drag here. Now parties will be listed. Now let us select Bharat Adivasi Party. Let us select this particular Bharat Adivasi Party. Check where it won. Bharat Adivasi Party in one particular area. If you zoom out, we will see that particular state name. Guess the state name? Gujarat. Oh, maybe Gujarat or Maharashtra. I don't know. This area, maybe Maharashtra. Bharat Adivasi Party. Okay, let us select another party. Independent. It's not a party, it's independence. So in many places, independence also won this particular poll. Let us select one more last. Samajwadi Party. Select it. You can see a lot of domination is in Uttar Pradesh. So this is another fantastic thing called slicer. Okay. So left side also you can do a few more things like grouping the columns. You can group the columns. You can hide the columns. N number of things you can play with it. These are basic things related to data visualization. Okay. Now coming back to next one, if you want to add new kinds of charts, just click on get more visualizations. Click on get more visualizations. It will be navigated to Microsoft website. Just click on download. If you like this visualization, you can just click on it. It will be downloaded. Another one is, where is AI here? Where is AI? It should be able to understand our query and it should be able to respond, right? Just click on page, new page. Let's go to new page. Left side, you can see somewhere called Q&A. One particular chart, a kind of chart called visualization called QA, question answering. Check where is that question answering. Got it? Is it? Select this Q&A. Now here you can ask the question. You can pose the question here. For example, you suggest something and I'm going to ask that particular question. Which you have to use the column names. Okay. What is the leading party? What is the leading party in Kerala? This is the question, and we got this is the response. You can ask through questions also. This is AI. Now let us try with Madhya Pradesh. In state Madhya Pradesh. Bharatiya Janata Party is the only leading party in Madhya Pradesh. Let us check with Assam. State Assam or Manipur. These are the things at Assam. What about Manipur? With our questions also, we can filter the search. Got it? Shall we do on one more data set? How many of you want me to show on one more data set data? Please raise your hands if you want to see in one more data set. Okay, perfect. So you suggest one data set. We created few data sets specially for visualization. Let us select agriculture production, global agriculture production. Downloading it. Wait for a few seconds. Global agriculture production. Now, my question is, wait for a few seconds. It will be loaded. Yeah, here is a chart. Here is the data. Now tell me which state. There is no state here. Agriculture production. I want statewide, but this is not giving any state names. Okay, what is the second largest crop? Which is the second largest crop? I'll give you 5 seconds. Tell me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait. Okay. From bottom, what is the third largest one? From bottom. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's not easy to play with numbers. That's why we have to use visualization tools. Okay, it's not easy to play with numbers. If here records are hardly 21, what if there are 5,000 records? How much time will you take to calculate and figure out from 5,000 records? It's not easy game, right? That's why we're making Stat Anveshak to play with numerical numbers. Even if you have 10,000 records, our software will not be crashed. Even if you have 50,000 records, it will not be crashed. That's why we are making this Stat Anveshak team. They're working hard from last 1 month. Mostly within few days, little bugs are there. We'll fix all these things. Let us try with Power BI. Opening Power BI. Now tell me how to add the data. We already downloaded here. We already downloaded this global agriculture production. Okay, now tell me how to add that data. First, select blank report. Okay, then you have to add the data. How? Click. This is one of the options. Second option is this one. Third option is from this here, this one. From here also you can add get data. Let me select from here get data. Select your Excel workbook. Global agriculture production. Select it. Select it. Load the data. Since very limited number of records are there, it's very easy to analyze. If there are thousands of records are there, then manually we take a lot of time. That's why if we use visualization tools, very easy to do it. Now I'm using bar chart, and we'll add some columns to it, x-axis and y-axis. For example, total agriculture production will be in y-axis. That crop names will be in x-axis. Then you can see the data here. Now based upon this, you can calculate something. Instead of total, you can modify this also. Data. Okay, agriculture land. We're not going to summarize it. Agriculture land, okay? Just will count it. Distant. Okay. Like this also, you can add something. So few important charts. Let me revise. The first important chart is a bar charts, pie charts, and other things. Second is map, and the third one is Q&A. Fourth one is slicer. These are the four important things. You can give it a try. And you can add multiple charts. You can design beautiful dashboards for your data. Visually represent, you can beautifully represent the data, and you can play it. Okay. This basic is enough related to data visualization. And open for questions. We'll take a couple of questions and we'll close my talk. I'll close my talk. Open for questions now. We discussed around we saw two data sets. Visualization of two data sets. We will release this Stat Anveshak soon. Mostly it will be released on February 6th. We'll share the links to you all. You can play with that. And if you want to enhance our Stat Anveshak, you're welcome. If you wish to give any suggestions to improve our Stat Anveshak, you're welcome to do it. A simple data analytical tool. And not only for statistics, we are making for visualization also with hundreds of charts. D3JS is another charting library. D3JS is a kind of charting library. You can use the D3JS also for visualizing the data. Okay. Open for questions. Please ask your questions.
Hello.
Shobha
Good
madam,
evening.
hope they're able to unmute. Good evening, madam. Tell me.
It's a very good explanation, sir. How
Thank you, madam.
this Power BI is different than Tableau, sir?
You have to pay for Tableau. Power BI is free of cost.
Free of
If for
cost.
publishing
Okay.
again, you have to pay for publishing again. You have to pay for Power BI. But in our
Okay.
coming data visualization tools, you no need to pay. We are working on it. We're about to start working on publishing also, publishing data.
Okay.
Both are
Sir,
better. Both are best. Power BI and
yeah.
Tableau both are good, but Tableau is not free of cost. You have to pay for
Yes,
it.
sir. Yes. Yes. For 1 year, they'll give. If it is a student, means then they will give 1 year free.
Yeah. Later you have to purchase, and you cannot
Yeah.
use for commercial purposes also.
Correct, sir. And one more thing, sir, if possible, can you show it to me how to find the top 5 and below 5, sir?
Yes, you can use Q&A. Question answering is there.
Oh, just
Question
like
answering,
question.
sorting. Yeah, question answering, sorting is also there. Also, you can represent the data in table format. Let me share my screen. You can represent the data in table format. When you represent the data in table format, just by clicking one particular button, sort, it will be sorted.
Oh,
For example, even in our stat and Vishak also, you can use these columns. For example, if you come here, you can use these columns for sorting, filtering purpose also. In future, we are going to add filter. For example, if you want to filter only 2023, we'll provide a small provision here where you can type 2003, only the 2003 or only 20,023. That will be displayed to you. So sorting option is there. With that, you can sort it, madam. Directly, view should be
okay.
table.
Thank you, sir.
View should be table in it.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Next
Thank you,
question.
sir.
So, may I ask a question?
Yes.
I mean, when you showed this sorting of the data and visualization, suppose I have multiple information regarding one particular system, and I want to make different plots. It could be like column 2 on the x-axis and column 3 is on y-axis, or I want to go for a 3-dimensional plot. Is that also possible?
Yeah, it's possible. It's possible in Power BI.
In Power BI.
Group,
So could
yes,
you
it's
demonstrate like
possible.
for
Yeah,
this
1 second. Let me
production
share
thing?
my screen. Yeah, let me share
Yes,
my
sir,
screen.
please.
Let me show. Multiple columns also you can add here. You want to add multiple columns in the x-axis, right?
Say I want to come up with a 3-dimensional image. You could say like
3-dimensional image I have to check. Our guys are making
okay.
3D for another one. Our interns are making for 3D also, but not for data visualization. They're making 3D for another kind of data. For example, for trigonometric data, geometric data, we're making 3D. Okay. For
Okay.
example, if you want to play with multiple columns also, you can add multiple columns. Yeah, let me select and let me show you. Yes, see here. When you click and drag these sheets, hold on, I'll show you. Yes. 3D charts may be there here, but D3.js and charts.js are having 3D charts. You can play with it. You may need to make your own, I think. These things are having 3D charts. See here. D3.js and charts.js.
Okay.
3D charts are there.
I mean, I will just clear my question further. Say I have a function in mathematics. I have a function which depends on 2 parameters, x and y. I want to understand the behavior of this function with respect to x and y simultaneously.
Okay. For the data visualization, Power BI is not the one. You have to play with 3D mathematics software. Mathematics visualization you need. Do you want to
no,
we are
this was
developing
just an
that also?
example. I think you could
Okay.
have made the connection.
Yes, I got the thing.
Because because many times I may have data of any system, like when you said about this agricultural production. I may add the weather condition. I may add how is the air quality and other things, and then I want to make a conclusion out of it, that how the air quality has impacted the production or the weather has impacted. Can
Okay.
that also be done in this way?
Right now we haven't planned that one. What we did was we are just planning for 3D 3D related to tan theta, cos theta, trigonometry, algebra
Okay.
kinds of axes we are making. Let me check with it. Vinay, do you have that? 1 second. Let me check with my interns. From
Sure,
Jagadish.
sir.
Jagadish, are you there in our group? Jagadish, intern.
Sir,
Please
in
raise your
Power
hand,
BI we
Jagadish.
can. Sir, in Power BI we can make 3D images, sir.
Yeah, I have to check, sir, because I haven't played with 3D. When I want 3D, we'll go with third-party JavaScript libraries, not with this Power BI.
Sir, you may
Maybe
take
some
your time.
visualizations may be there in here. Maybe some
Sir,
visualizations surely will be there for 3D.
Sai sir,
It
you may
depends
take your
of-
time. I don't have any rush. I may come back to you again over WhatsApp or through the DM also. This was just a curious question I had at this
Yeah,
point.
we are making it. Mathematics visualization we are making now, where
Okay.
you can pass multiple columns to it, and where you can see them in 3D. Tan
Okay.
theta. If otherwise, do one thing. One of my competitors, I'll show you my competitors' data. You can try with this called GeoGebra. GeoGebra.
Okay.
This is one of my competitors. Not
Okay.
competitors, inspired from this GeoGebra.
Is
Okay,
this a Google
just
supported
come
thing?
here, madam.
Is this a Google supported site?
GeoGebra. GeoGebra is not from Google. It's an open source one.
Okay.
GeoGebra. Recently, by paying some millions of dollars, Byju's bought this.
Okay.
They paid some millions of dollars for this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, see here. If you want to go with 3D calculator, select this and enter your x-axis, y-axis, all the information here.
Yeah,
For example,
something of this kind. Yeah.
sine of 45. See here, it is going to come here. Sine 45. Next one, tan 66. I don't know where they are going. Okay, see here, small maybe. Okay, let me try with sine 145. It's very near to it. Can you see some small difference here? The red color.
Yeah.
Small color,
Yes, sir.
small difference.
Yes, sir.
So let me delete it so that will be disappeared. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll delete. I'll give larger values. 50x. X. See here, a new line is there. Okay.
Oh yeah, yeah.
4x. Another line came.
Yeah.
10x. Another line came. It's a 3D value now. It's a 3D. You can click and drag. The same thing our guys are also developing. You can play with this. Okay.
Sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
This is the one you are looking for?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So any other questions? Please unmute yourself and you can ask me.
Sir, Sai sir.
Yes, sir.
Can we use this for some predictive analytics? or do we have to do some
For
add-ons?
predictive analysis, no, sir. Only for visualization we can use, sir. For
Only for
predictive, again, we have to build our model.
Yeah,
And we
yeah.
have to
So
train the model.
add-ons we have to
And
make.
we have to build the model, sir. With all the data, we have to build the model. Like a neural network, we have to build like this. A neural network, we have to build completely with our data. Then it can predict. Then it can predict.
Okay. Do you have any?
It's only for visualization purpose only, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only
Yes.
to visualize the data.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Maybe in future, our team may add it. Our team may add it. I don't know, because it is not in our project scope as of now. But in future, we'll add.
Okay.
Maybe it's not in our project scope as of now. Visualization plus ML, both we haven't merged. Visualization separately we are doing, and ML concept separately we are doing.
Okay. Like
we are also working on data structures also.
Yeah, yeah.
Our guys that is also ready.
Okay. Like basing on the weather conditions of past data, so you
Data
can visualize.
structures are also, I think it's ready. Do that, but we haven't done that. We can do that, but we haven't done that. This is a weather data. You can view the data. This data can be viewed, but we haven't added any visualization to it.
Okay.
But it's possible to add visualization also. Yeah, this is another modules what we're working on, like data structures, complete data structures you can view visually. Bubble sort, quick sort, merge sort, how it is working. For example, let's go with quick sort. Quick sort. Let's take a default array. This is a default array. Now we'll start sorting it. Take new array. Sort. Okay, where to start? I think where is the button to start? I think they missed it. Okay, this button should be changed. Okay, it's there now. Yes, visually how it is sorting, which is pivot element, the steps. Yes, pivot done. Now which is the better one, you can see it visually. This is done by some students of JNTU Kakinada, most of them from LBRCE, VR Siddhartha College students. Srinu, Yashashwini, many students are there who are working on this. Yes, sorting done. How many of you like this visualization? How many of you like this visualization for data structures?
Really great. Really great.
Yeah, done by students only, sir.
Yeah.
Our team, I'll show on WhatsApp someday. Then all these things are done by our interns. Third year and fourth year students now.
Okay.
Sir,
yes.
may I ask the eligibility for this interns?
They have to know some basics of React.js, curiosity to explore, dedication to work on it, madam.
No, I'm
90%
asking.
dedication.
Absolutely right, sir. But I am asking from the specialization perspective, because we do have some students who are interested in data science and visualization. That's why.
Okay, madam. 10% subject, 90% dedication.
So the subject, what would be the requirement?
React.js. React.js is enough.
Okay.
Remaining, because today we are in ChatGPT era. If we have curiosity, if we have patience, if we have dedication, if we do 10%, 90% will be done by ChatGPT. 90% of the things. So some people are there, they will keep on showing n number of reasons to avoid working with us. I have met almost some thousands of students like that, who will keep on sharing all the nonsense. But our team, let me show you. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let me show you. Yeah, these guys. This guy is from Godlavalur Engineering College, Mahesh. You can notice these guys. Chanakya from Siddhartha, Vivek from JNTU, Yashashwini from VR Siddhartha, Rajavardhan from RVR and JC College. Most of these, they are from RVR and JC College. They are doing cryptography visualization also. Most of them scared of cryptography. They don't know how internal things will work. So what we are doing is we are showing step-by-step visualization of cryptography. How the data will be in round 1, how the data will be in round 2, how this permutation will happen, and what happens when we substitute a value, S box. All these rounds, when we mix the columns, what happens? All these things, especially cryptography. Most of the students are scared of this cryptography. Even they don't like to explore because of the mathematics, the competition of mathematics. So these guys, Rajavardhan is from RVR and JC. And these guys are working on this mixed columns, how the data will look at a specific row.
Sir, how about a person who is having, say, BSc degree in physics and mathematics? Can they also be applying for this internship?
If they know, yes. If they know React.js, basics of React.js, we'll give them a task, let them use ChatGPT to complete the task.
Okay.
If they have dedication, then we can continue with them, madam. They have to know how to train simple models. They have to know how to train a model.
So they should
if
have,
they have
that
basic knowledge, that's enough.
That's more than enough.
Basic knowledge is enough. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
To be part of our team.
Sure, sir.
Is another one, event log analyzer. For example, if you upload, cybersecurity branches are there. If you upload event logs or this firewall logs or browser logs, it's going to generate the report. Many students are there from RVR and JC. You're from which college, madam?
Sir, actually, I am from Amit University, Maharashtra. I am a physics background person. I mean, I'm basically a physicist. So, but we do work, and I'm a theoretical physicist. So I do work with data set, and usually I model my reactions and all. So that's why I was asking about the visualization of 3D, because many times we come up with functions which need a projection into a 3D space, just to have a better understanding that the kind of numbers that are churning out from our model, does it make sense or not?
Then for the time being, you can use GeoGebra.
Absolutely, yeah.
Another tool is also there. Wolfram Alpha is another one. Wolfram Alpha.
Okay.
This is another website. You can give it a try. In coming days, our own tool also will be there from our Indian servers and
Wolfram Alpha is the one which I have been using so far. Usually the Mathematica gives a good visualization, and the other thing which I have done is, like, I create a data set in Fortran which is already compartmentalized, and then I just project into GNU plot, which gives a three-dimensional thing. But this is a bit tedious process. I was thinking for a more sophisticated one. So Wolfram is like a paid site, not easily accessible. And I was thinking of some open source.
Open source means GeoGebra only, madam.
Yeah, GeoGebra, exactly. I think that's the only one that seems much closer to what I have been doing so far.
Yeah, GeoGebra is a good one for that.
So we do have students who are interested in data science, machine learning. They actually work with lot of theoretical knowledges, model knowledges. But as you said, React.js and all, I think I'm sure this will add to their knowledge base. They can work on this, and they actually look for internship. So we are struggling to find internship which could really help them in the right way. So I think your session was something very helpful. I could at least direct my students to talk to you for that.
Sure, I'll give them a task. If they can complete the task on time, we can give them opportunity, madam.
Absolutely, yeah. I would really say that. I mean, you can test them whether they could be trained or not, because as you said, It's just that foundation they can work on. They have interest, but can they deliver based on that interest is something the only person, if they are willing to test, they can find that.
Yes, madam. You can message
Thank
me,
you.
madam. We'll check it out. Yeah, thank you.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, madam. Yeah. Any other questions? Any other questions? Madam, I think no questions. Shall we close, madam?
Yeah, Shanti madam, you rose your hand. Hello. Okay. Vemuri. Vemuri
Sir,
Sri.
good.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, good evening, sir. A very good
Good evening,
session,
madam.
sir. First of all, thank you for this valuable session, sir. Sir, yeah, in your session, you mentioned whether you are interested, you can join in the development of that.
Yeah, interested and capable, right, madam? Both.
How we can join, sir?
Okay, do one thing, madam. You're from which college, madam?
I'm from Srinaranaguru College of Engineering and Technology, Payyanur, sir, from Kerala.
Okay, if students are already trained, if they're capable of working with us, they should know
Yeah.
React.js. They should know how to train the models. YOLO kind of
Okay.
things they have to know earlier. Then we can give them a task. If they complete the task, they can be part of our team, madam. But dedication is
Okay.
very, very important. They have
Okay.
to submit work every day. Minimum
Yes.
4 to 5 hours they have to invest their time to complete the tasks. If
Okay,
they're
sure.
capable of doing it, you can message me, madam. 9618
1 second, sir.
222. Yeah, my number 9618
Okay, 9618
222
222
220.
5 twos are there.
Yeah, 5 twos. 9618 222 220.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. I'll message you.
Ask them to message with their previous projects, madam.
Yes, sure, sir.
What they have developed.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you,
madam. Thank
sir.
you. Sir, over to you, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir. One more
Yeah,
question I have.
yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
I'm a research scholar in Karnool, sir, Rayalaseema University. Previously, we worked on solving differential equation using neural networks, sir. But
Okay.
we are looking to do the work on crypto, sir, based on neural network.
Okay.
For that suggestion you have, sir, anywhere we have to search anything.
For crypto, what you want to do?
So we want to create some neural network tools, sir, software tools like software tools for crypto analysis based on neural networks, sir.
Your
For
question
that,
is not clear, sir.
sir, we want to looking the research on crypto analysis, sir, based on neural networks.
Crypto of what? You mean crypto AES data or DES data or RSA data, encrypted data, or cryptocurrency data?
Sir,
Crypto of what you want to analyze?
Crypto data, sir, just RSA.
Yeah, you should be very clear of what type of encrypted data, ciphertext you want to analyze.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because AES is completely different from RSA.
Okay, sir.
You cannot analyze all kind of ciphertext with one single algorithm.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But for AES kind of thing, these days, quantum based programs are there where they are working and they are breaking the AES key in few minutes.
Okay, sir.
Hardly in 5 minutes, they are breaking the keys of AES.
Okay. Patterns of it.
Such,
Yes, sir.
yeah, such type of algorithms are already there. Search for quantum related breaking algorithms which can break AES.
Okay, sir.
And we have to be very specific on playing with cryptography. Hundreds of
Okay.
algorithms are there. Blowfish is there. RSA is there. AES,
Yes, sir.
DES, many are there. So we cannot use a single algorithm for all kinds of ciphertexts.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, over to you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for sparing your valuable time with our participants. So you have really given an illustrative explanation about data visualization techniques. So thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your valuable time with us. So may I request Shobana Madam to propose vote of thanks?
Sure, sir. Once again, good evening, sir. On behalf of everyone present here, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Damaraju Sai Satish, founder and CEO of Indian Service, Vijayawada, for gracing us with an invaluable insights today. With 16 years of profound experience in exploring machine learning techniques for data analysis, Mr. Sai Satish has truly inspired us with his knowledge and expertise. His journey is a testament to the power of innovation and perseverance, and we are fortunate to have gained a glimpse of an immense contributions to the field of technology. Additionally, I would like to take this opportunity to highlight the incredible platforms he is associated with, such as STAT and Vashek on Netlify and IMS Society, which mssociety.com. These initiatives showcase his commitment to empowering individuals and fostering a learning community in data science and as well as machine learning. Sir, your words not only educated but also ignited a spark of curiosity and motivation to explore these domains further. We are immensely thankful to your time, your effort and dedication sharing your expertise with us, sir. Thank you once again. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
So
madam.
thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So dear participants, so that is the end of the today's session. Tomorrow we have a different schedule. As 2 o'clock we are going to meet once again. Tomorrow we have 3 sessions. So starting from 2 p.m. 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. there is one session, and from 3:30 to 5 another session, and from 5 to 6:30 another session. And most importantly, we have the online test, which is scheduled for 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. So this you have to attempt compulsorily. So the test will be conducted by Atal Academy. So you have to go to the Atal portal and attempt your test sharp by 6:30 p.m. So you can complete the test by 7:30 p.m. 1 hour time. You have 25 questions, multiple choice questions you have to answer. And those who can score more than 70% of their test marks, so they are eligible to get the certificate. So please note that the questions are very simple, and kindly be available from 6:30 to 7:30 to write the test. And we have 3 sessions, right from 2 to 6:30 p.m. Kindly note the schedule. I have posted in the WhatsApp group also. So kindly cooperate. So thank you all. If you want to interact with me, you can talk to me right now. Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yeah. So I have passed on the complete instructions. So kindly attend your test tomorrow at 6:30. Writing test is very important and it is compulsory to get the certificate. So once again, thank you all for sparing your valuable time once again on the 5th day. So tomorrow we'll be meeting at 2 p.m. Thank you all. Good night and take care. We'll join tomorrow. Thank you.